Alright guys, I'm going to show you what you can do with the Livescanner. You can put it in quad scan. See, it's just on the starboard side scanning. And we're going to ride through this marina and we're going to look for crappie under these docks. Okay, so here's our Livescanner. We're going to slowly look so you can stop it. There's bait. Look at all that bait up under those boats. Here's fish up under that bait. All right, we're gonna put it back in the quad. Put it right back into the quad scan. We're going to let it scan through here again as we get out to the end. All that bait fish. I'm going to stop it right there. Look at all that. All right, now we're going to come down the port side. We've got it set. Quad scan to scan on the port side. We're just going to run right in between these docks. Let all the bait fish in here. Let all that. I've located this looks like a brush pile in between those two posts. See those two posts right there on that dock? Dial it in, see? Looks like we got some fish, bait. Looks like a brush pile in between at the end of that dock post. There we are. Right there, those posts right there. We're just moving the Livescanner around. See what LumaFusion does. We're between those two dock posts right there. Looks like we got a brush pile right between those two posts. Now if the boat's moving, we're in this marina and we got all these wake boats, sea-doos, jet skis, everything here. If we wanted to cast in there and the boat's moving a little bit, we wouldn't have to use our foot pedal quite as much. We could put it in lure lock and it's going to move left, right, left, right. Now we might lose our jig a little as it falls for just a second, but it's going to pick it right back up. You should be able to see it. That way, that's called lure lock by Livescanner. This is forward scan in the quad scan. Show you what the quad scan does in forward scan. So what we're doing is we're right in front of a empty boat slip and we're just running our quad scan to look under here. Now we can slow it down, get it slowed down and different for a slower speed. If we wanted to scan here, sit here and just let it run. See all this stuff? We got bait, we've got crappie, all under this dock. Now if we want to, all we got to do, we can take and stop it and just aim anything that we saw. Look at that. A bunch of stuff here and a bunch of fish and bait. Pretty neat, huh? That's what the quad scan does, guys.